Bro, they're going for line. Are you mad? Are you mad? They're going line for line. Nobody has to know. Chris Brown, Davido, Off the Breezy Deluxe, okay, dropped a feature together. Absolutely, I don't know. This was probably the first time I had a conversation with someone, and I think this was the first time we saw Wizkid and Davido on the same album together. And I'm thinking, hasn't that happened before? No, you're correct, Belema. It was Alaga Ibila, you're correct. He has both Wizkid and Davido on it. But yeah, that was 2014. Davido as Chris Brown have made fantastic records in the past. I'm not going to count Shopping Spree too much because I thought that wasn't a necessary good show out for David. I give that credit more so to Chris Brown. And it's a very R&B centric record that Davido was in his ballpark, and he made it for a cringy moment when he came to the record. But anyway, that's aside. But I thought one of the best collabs, the most compatible collabs that we've seen from Nigerian artists and UK and American artists, is still blow my mind. It's one of the best records that I've seen from two artists, one from Nigeria and one from America. And since then, I don't think I've heard too much that has topped it. And I know recently, Call Me Every Day is another one that is standing out. Two-Face and R. Kelly have a song. Two-Face and T-Pain as well. Rainbow. That's a beautiful one too. I need to make a list, man. I need to go back to my list making days. I need to make a list. Hopefully this is another very, very compatible one from both of them. Let's hear it.
The way that I'm feeling for you, they don't have enough.
Ooh. Okay.
When you get in this world, nobody have it all. Hey, when you over this side.
Hey! What?
Thinking to myself like I miss her.
Oh! Okay, that drop is hard. That drop was hard. I didn't see that coming. That drop was deep, bro. What do you mean? Let me type out this. Bro! That drop was too mad, bro. Let's run that back. What? Eh? Hey. Oh, that's cool. Huh? Hey! Oh, back and forth, bro. No way. We're just passing it back. No. That's hard. Nah, man. These two are dangerous. Hey.
The way that I'm feeling for you, they don't have enough.
Okay, guitars.
You're mine when you get in this room, but you're acting out. Nobody has.
Oh, that drop. Let's wait for that drop. Hey. Let's go. Hey. Yo, this is summer jam. Okay, harmonies. Let's go. Bro, they're going for line. Are you mad? They're going line for line. Chris Brown, he did this on Call Me Every Day as well. But bro, this is mad. This is to another level, man. Like, and it feels like, no, bruh. Nah, this is gonna go down as one of the best. This is definitely gonna go down as one of the best that they've put together, man. What? Bro, this feels like they worked very closely with this one, man.
That time you pull up low key, cause you're not lucky. Girl, give me a good
Right,
Don't
bro.
worry about it, cause I know you love me.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
The way that I'm feeling for you, they don't have to know.
Hey, nobody have to know.
When you get in this room, but you're acting girl.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hey. 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 What? 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 Oh no, this is a jam. This is a jam. Oh my goodness, chills. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my goodness. Breezy. What? Oh my gosh, bro. Nah. Bro, this no, this is up there with Blow My Mind. I'm sorry. This is up there with Blow My Mind. This, oh no, they need to give this video, they need to give this everything, man. This is a jam. This is a jam, bro. Like, this is something that could move. That could move, honestly. Bro, when it came to the drop, the production on this was dirty, bro. Dirty. The nice and swift, smooth, like, build up into then the drop. And my goodness, the back and forth of these two, they were completing each other's sentences as if they were like one in one. It was just mad. It was just mad. And it just flowed so well. And David actually showed up vocally too. He showed up. There were moments where he even had backup for his vocals too. Like, the harmonies were nice. But Chris Brown, when it comes to harmonies, that's just like, nah. Chris Brown obviously finished it off towards the end with those crazy exciting harmonies, man, and layering of his vocals. But man, this is a summer jam, bro. This is a song that could actually go up. I'm not gonna lie, this is a good look for David. Not to talk about the other summer of the song that he claimed, bro. Nah. That's not happening. That was not a summer of the song. That was not a song of the summer, I beg. I said summer of the song. That's it. I might be saying summer of the song this whole time. I mean song of the summer. No, but this is a bigger contender for that. It has to be. It definitely has to be. This is such a nice, feel-good record. I can see people on the boat, on a yacht, dancing to this, feeling good. The sun is out. The buns are out. You know what I mean? Like, you're just laying back, relaxing to this. Nobody off, you know. Bro, it's such a nice, slow white kind of jam too, man. Like, come on, man. Come on. This is lit. This is lit. This is too good. This is too good. Chris Brown. And to the fact that this man had a 24-track album, dropped the deluxe, and made it to 33 tracks, bro. Crazy. Crazy. But still, man. No, that was exciting. That was absolutely exciting. Nah, I can't do it. Like, David and Chris Brown have to drop something together, like, properly. Like, the synergy is just crazy. It's just crazy. Nah, there's no way. This is up there with Blow My Mind, and trust me, Blow My Mind is damn near perfection. Damn near perfection, bro. Nah, like, this was exciting. This was definitely exciting. And anyway, that was it for tonight, man. Thank you so much, guys, for rocking with ya boy. All right, this was another live stream in the bag. This was 100%, by the way, 100%. No one said no. That's crazy. 100% in the chat. It's obviously somebody said no. Somebody said no just as I was about to close it. That's funny. Now, but better the best thing you no. So you don't want 100% song. We've only had a few 100% songs in the history of this, live stream. I can't remember this song and how many votes it was, but we've had a good 100% before. But anyway, no, this is up there. This is up there, bro. This could be up there as one of the good songs this year, man. Chris Brown back to back with two of the legends in the scene and delivering great records. I love it. I love it for him. I love it for his album. I love it for the scene. I love it for the spotlight. Hopefully it brings attention to the song too, because his song definitely deserves it. But anyway, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. that was the live stream for tonight. I hope to see you guys next week.